أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you are in the best state of health and increasing state of Iman. Today inshallah we will learn ayah number 10th of Surah Ar-Rahman. وَالْأَرْضَ وَضَعَهَا لِلْأَنَامِ وَالْأَرْضَ وَضَعَهَا لِلْأَنَامِ وَالْأَرْض. Letter Waw is connected to the letter Lam. The Hamzatul Wasl, which is in between Waw and Lam, is not pronounced. Wal arda. Ra Sakin is heavy here because the letter before Ra Sakin has Fatha on it. Wal arda. Letter Da is also a heavy letter, so pronounce it heavily. Wal arda. Wada'aha. Letter Dad here also is pronounced heavily. Wada'aha. Ain is pronounced from middle part of a throat. It should not sound like Hamza. It should not sound wada'aha. It should be pronounced wada'aha from middle part of a throat, inshallah. Letter Ha is stretched for two haraka according to Mad al-Tabi'i. Wada'aha lil anam. Noon is stretched for 2 or 4 or 6 count according to Madul Arid li Sukun. Lil anam. Meme with kasra is now converted into meme with sakin due to waqf, inshallah. وَالْأَرْضَ وَضَعَهَا لِلْأَنَامِ وَالْأَرْضَ وَضَعَهَا لِلْأَنَامِ. جزاكم الله خيرا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.